Okay guys, so we are headed back to our making video job. And okay, so right here you can see a lot of sound is coming from behind, and you can see the behind the scenes. Okay, so what is going on in these days, let me tell you. So thing that is going on, which you can see the rainfall, continuous rainfall, that leads to another holiday. And on Monday I have come to school. I gone to school on 3rd August, and now no, right? Okay, 3rd August, and now it's been 6th August. Why it is Thursday? I'm just confused with this thing. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay. Now I got it. So now it's 6th, and we just got 3 holidays consecutively, and that's why I'm living in a home. And let me show you. Bye guys. Oh.